Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you this black beauty, a 2002 Ford Lightning pickup truck. These things are super cool. Back when they first came out, I can remember because I was in high school and this was like one of my dream trucks. This one's in really good condition. It's got 75,000 miles on it. The paint and body on this truck looks like it's got 20,000 miles on it. It's still got the original SVT wheels on it. You've got that 5.4 liter supercharged V8 under the hood that these are known for. Definitely a fun truck to drive. But let's go ahead and start up front like we always do. Let's just talk about the front bumper here. Overall, the bumper is in good condition. You do have a little tiny mark here on the bumper, but other than that, the bumper is in really good condition. Your grille is in great condition, very minimal rock chips. You know, with 75,000 miles on a vehicle, you are gonna have some small blemishes, but overall, this truck's in amazing condition. The hood is in great condition, no major dents or rock chips or anything on the hood there. As you look at the windshield, your windshield is in awesome condition, no chips or cracks, anything on the windshield there. Your valance here on the cowl is in great condition. The black still looks really good. Your wiper arms are in great condition. Also, guys, check out your headlights. Your headlights are in excellent condition. These are the original Lightning headlights. There's no oxidation or fading or anything like that going on. Overall, really, really good condition. As we work our way down the side of the truck over here, you can see that the fender is in excellent condition. One thing that really amazes me on this truck is just how nice the paint is, especially being a black truck. Black shows everything. We had this one professionally detailed, so it's got a fresh coat of wax on it, so it is ready to go, but it looks really nice and overall is in great condition for its age and miles on the vehicle. I always like to open up the doors just to show you that the door is not sagging. It shuts nice and clean. Your gaps here are nice and even all the way down. This truck also has a clean Carfax, no accidents on this truck, and it's been taken very well good care of. As you look at the bedside here, bedside's in great condition, no dents, no major flaws, paint's not cracked, anything like that. Paint looks really, really nice. You've got the original SVT wheels out back as well. You do have this really nice tunnel cover on the back here that covers up the bed, allows you to store stuff in the back if you want. As we look at your tail lights are in great condition. They're not cracked, faded, or oxidized, anything like that. Your rear bumper on the back is still in great condition. We'll go ahead and show you inside the bed here. This truck was never used for work duty. You can tell that the inside of the bed is nice and clean. The paint still looks great. You do have that rubber mat back there that also protects it. If you do need to put some lawn chairs or coolers for the cruise in or car show, you can do that and not worry about scratching up the bed. But guys, overall, this truck's in fantastic condition. And actually it runs better than it looks. With that being said, let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you the 5.4 liter supercharged V8. All right, guys, come take a look at this awesome 5.4 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood of this sport truck. Overall, this engine is mostly original and stock, other than the headers that you have on here and the cold air intake. But this truck, straight out of the box, made good power, especially for back then. It made really nice power. And now with the slight upgrades that it has, it's making even more power. Another thing that I forgot to mention, it does have a true dual exhaust with high flow cats and a X pipe on here. So you get a really good sound, and it allows that air to flow out of there nicely and give it a really good sound. But overall, guys, the engine bay here is just nice and clean, not a ton of stuff done to it, but just the right modifications to make it just a little bit better than what it was originally. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and wrap this up and let's move to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out the interior on this beautiful 2002 Ford Lightning. One thing that I really like about the Lightning trucks is the bench seat in here. You get the suede with the black leather inserts. One thing with this truck, the bench seat in here is really nice. It hugs you, so when you're going around turns, you know, it keeps you in the seat really nicely. Overall, the interior is mostly stock. I don't really see anything that's been modified other than the AEM gauges here that you have, which is going to be your boost, your fuel pressure, and your air to fuel ratio. Just really cool to watch when you're driving down the road and you're getting into boost. You can see everything moving around. It gives you the parameters of what the motor's doing. Your gauges are nice and clean. As you can probably tell in the video, you do have a dash pad here, and that's not covering up any cracks or anything. Just the previous owner just wanted to make sure that the dash stayed nice and clean. As many of you know, on these 90s vehicles and early 2000s vehicles, the plastics weren't the greatest, so they did crack, but this one's in great condition. We just keep that on there just to keep the dash nice and clean. Your headliner's in great condition. Everything in here works as it should. AC blows cold, your radio works, all your gauges work, your door panels are in great condition, and even your steering wheel is in great condition as well. But with that being said, guys, let's get to my favorite part and let's take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the Lightning, and so far I'm very impressed with this truck. It handles very nicely, almost handles like a Mustang. The throttle is really nice on here. You hit the gas, this truck wants to go. The brake feels really nice on it. It's not spongy or anything like that. Overall, the steering's tight. The shifts are firm. Radio works good. Like I said, we do have the windows up here in Georgia. It's about 90 degrees today, and we do have the AC going here. Keep us nice and cool. But overall, guys, this is one amazing sport truck. As you guys know, the truck market has gone crazy over the last few years, and a lot more people are into the sport trucks. And in my opinion, for the money, this is one of the best ones you can buy because it already has a performance motor in there. You don't have to worry about swapping it or doing anything like that. You can make some light modifications, and you can make a truck like this very fast. But overall, a very nice truck. It's very clean on the outside, clean interior. The engine bay is nice. Overall, just a fantastic truck that is ready to be parked in your garage. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. We can help you with shipping or financing. Just let us know what you need and we can get it done. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. But till the next time, we'll catch you later.